It's a 2014 Fiat 500c. Style is through the roof on this lovely 500c. Put the top down and live it up. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, Blue and Me, leather steering wheel, rear parking sensors, multi-function steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power convertible roof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver calls the 500c super cute and super chic. So whether you call it a cabrio, a convertible, or a Giuseppe, this little Italian should have no problem finding its share of buyers. Live assertively. Drive a Fiat. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.